Hey there and welcome to our next video. So in the previous video we have made till the booking page and now we'll be covering the next page which is the confirmation page. So in the in this video I have already filled all the details with the test details so that I can show you how the confirmation page will be working. So and when I'll confirm the booking, we will be getting redirected to the confirmation page where the confirmation page is not there as you can see. So now we'll be going and making the confirmation page as we have made all the pages. So let's go to our WP admin section and we'll go to Adivaha section here where we'll be seeing the shortcodes. And don't forget to make the pages with our two-step theory as we have told you in every video. We'll go and copy this confirmation shortcode and we will go to pages section and add a new page. So we'll make the title. So I'm naming it as flight confirmation and I am just copying the shortcode. So we'll go and publish it. First step completed. And now we'll go to Adivaha admin section where we'll be doing our second step, that is to assigning the page to a location. So we'll go to Adivaha B2B hotel plugin and we'll going to the flight confirmation page, and as we have made the page with name flight confirmation, so we'll go and save it. So as we are done with all our steps, so let's go to our confirmation page where we have left, and you can see all the details are as it is and our confirmation page is made. So that's how you can make the pages, and till here your flight plugin is almost completed. So we have done the basic parts of all the plugins and sections here. So I hope you understood how you can make the pages. So in the next video I am going to tell you about how you can make a landing page for flights also. So thank you so much for watching our video and let's see you in our next video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and to press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.